Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom house for sale. It is located in Fernandez Gardens, St. Mary. It is just 15 minutes away from Ocho Rios and 5 minutes from the Ian Fleming International Airport, sitting perfectly on a large 0.4-acre lot. The house is approximately 90% complete, with only kitchen and bathroom fixtures needing to be installed upstairs. At the lower level, the 1 bedroom suite also needs to be completed and is large enough to be occupied as a separate unit from upstairs, enabling two-family occupation. An oversized laundry room doubles as helpers' quarters, and an independent storeroom ensures you are not short on space. Enjoy the ocean view from upstairs. You can access a shared balcony from the living room or bedroom upstairs, or soak in the view on your own from the balcony, exclusive to the master suite. This house has all the space you need. The yard provides tons of opportunities for planting, and the location ensures you are never too far away from anything you will need. Consider this opportunity and come make an offer quickly while the opportunity is in your hands. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 32 million or US $207,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.